Hey, it's Sam here, and in this video, I'll be taking a look at the CUKTECH 10 power bank. It's a candy bar style power bank that packs up to 150 watts of charging power and a 10,000 mAh power battery priced at $40. It's probably one of the most powerful and compact power banks in my opinion, so let's see if it's worth it. In the box, you'll get the power bank, a 120 watt Type-C to C cable, and the user manual explaining everything about the power bank. Size-wise, it's similar to a large candy bar with a 45mm width, 143mm height, and a depth of 33mm. It feels really solid in hand and weighs quite light as well, just under 290 grams or 0.63 pounds. For the design, it has a smooth finish with some text on the front, and a full-color TFT screen that shows the current percentage, inputs, and outputs. On the back, there's a more textured finish to provide some grip, and on the bottom, there's a 10 logo, and on the top, there's a Type-C port with a max output of 120 watts, and a Type-A port with a 33 watt max output. Speaking about the output, it can support up to 150 watts of total output when charging multiple devices through both ports. For example, you can be charging your laptop and phone at the same time without any issues. If you have a Xiaomi device, it will support the 120 watt hypercharge, and this is the same for other brands like Samsung's and iPhones with their 45 watt fast charging. As for the inputs or recharging of the power bank, it recharges quite fast as well. You can get to 55% in just 15 minutes as long as you've got a 90 watt charger. This means you get slightly more than 5,000 mAh, which is more than enough to fully charge most phones. Speaking of charging, it's still just a 10,000 mAh power bank, so don't expect multiple full laptop chargers. And like most high output power banks, there is some power loss from the heat and conversion, but that's totally normal. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the CUKTECH 10 power bank. From using and testing this device, it isn't just small and portable, it's quite powerful as well. I think it's perfect for users who are always on the go and require a fast power bank to juice up their devices. The size is just right in my opinion, but if you need more capacity, go for the CUKTECH 15 or 20 if you don't mind the larger size. So if you're interested in the CUKTECH power bank, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to CUKTECH for the power bank, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.